Camp Griddle there is an entire universe of amazing Blackstone accessories, and trust me, I love them all and I pretty much have most of them. Now, some of those accessories become very popular, but others of them are very underrated in my book. So on today's episode, we are gonna look at 8 underrated Blackstone accessories that I think are awesome, but have not gotten the attention they deserve. So let's get camping and let's get cooking and let's talk underrated Blackstone accessories. Let's dive right in, Camp Griddle. Our first underrated Blackstone accessory is the burger baskets with basket liners. I love using these baskets to make my presentation more fun when making all kinds of sandwiches and burgers with sides. We have used these for foot-long franks with feta fries and grilled cheese sandwiches with tomato soup, just to name a few. The retro-styled basket liners with cool graphics and fun food sayings make your presentation more creative and more fun. They make you feel like you're eating lunch or dinner at a classic roadside diner, and they are dishwasher safe, so they are easy to clean when you're done. Now it's time for our second underrated Blackstone accessory. It's the Blackstone Portable Camping Tableware Set. This 10-piece set includes 4 plates, 4 collapsible bowls, a mixing bowl, and a lid that all nest together and pack up nice and small. This set is perfect for tent campers and RV owners with limited storage space. We served up some delicious food on these plates last summer, and we use that mixing bowl for all kinds of food prep. Up next, we have our third underrated Blackstone accessory, and that is the super nifty Blackstone Taco Kit. This kit includes a tortilla trivet to warm up your tortillas and a tortilla warmer to keep them nice and warm when everybody comes back for seconds. The 2 taco racks help with assembly or presentation when serving to family and friends. But the toppings tray is the star of the show in this kit because it allows you to make an awesome DIY taco bar that is easy to clean up later. Whether it's Taco Tuesday or Saturday night at the campground, this taco kit is a must-have in my humble opinion. We are gonna combine number 4 and number 5 on our list of most underrated Blackstone accessories because they're both lighting. We have the Blackstone magnetic puck lights and the bendable magnetic light stand, and I love them both. We use these all of the time when we cook at night at the campground. These 300 lumen magnetic puck lights are terrific if you have a small camping setup and like to keep your camping kit compact. You can use the magnetic base or the carabiner clip to position them on your griddle or overhead, and they come with a USB-C charging cord so you can charge them up at home before your weekend camping trip. If you want more power, check out the bendable magnetic light stand, which has 500 lumens and over 4 hours of runtime on low. This one works great for anybody that cooks at night, but we think it is just perfect to add to your 22-inch Blackstone Flex Fold with side table because you have an easy mounting option. At number 6 on our list of underrated accessories, we have one of my favorite new accessories, and that's the 5-piece professional E-Series tool holder kit. This helps me keep my griddle tools organized and out of the way without making a mess on my countertop. I love that it has a nifty little removal drip tray that makes it easy to clean, and surprise, surprise, if you spin this thing around, it is designed to be used as an iPad stand so you can refer to a recipe while cooking or just watch your favorite show. At number 7 on our list of underrated Blackstone accessories, we have the E-Series Griddle Scoop, which I use all of the time. A major hack here that I want everybody to know about. Any of the accessories from the E-Series lineup can be used with your Blackstone camping griddles. So this E-Series Griddle Scoop is also my scoop for my camping griddle setup. I've used it for stir fry with steak and stir fry with chicken, and for Griddle Richie's famous beef and broccoli. I also love that this scoop fits on the aforementioned tool holder, and it makes a great addition to the set. At number 8, we have one of the most useful Blackstone accessories I have ever purchased, and that is the Griddle Top Restoration Kit, which is an absolute beast for cleaning your cold rolled steel griddles. This system is designed to break up rust, grease, and grime. I do a nice spring cleaning on my griddles every year to get ready for camping season. The Restorer quickly and easily removes surface rust with the help of the heavy-duty scrub pads. This griddle that we are cleaning today with the cold rolled steel top is not that messy, but I have used it on some seriously messy griddles and it works like a charm every single time. And this is not for your E-Series, this is not for your non-stick camping griddles. These are for the cold rolled classic griddles, and they work so well to clean them up. All right, Camp Griddlemore, that is my list of the 8 most underrated Blackstone accessories. Do you have a Blackstone accessory that you think is underrated, that you think like works incredibly well, is a great value, but has not gotten the attention that it deserves? Let me know about your pick in the comments below, and I will see you next week right here on Camp Griddlemore.